You can make a whole lot of money with UGC. If you don't know what UGC is, UGC is user generated content. Now, these are advertisements or marketing videos done by users. So let's say a company is actually selling a face cream or a body lotion, and a user reviews that product and makes a video or content about it, that, oh, this product is really good and I've used it. That's called user generated content because it is in the perspective of a user or a customer. Now, with the rise in AI, a lot of companies are actually using user generated content for their marketing videos. So most times these user generated contents are actually AI videos. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how you're going to make easily $1,000 to $2,000 a month with this strategy. Now, there are two ways that you can go about this. I'm just going to explain step by step how you can go about this, and then I'm going to show you how to use the tools to get this content. Now, I've done a previous video about this, but I didn't explain it in this way, so a lot of people did not understand. It seems it went over the heads of a lot of people. There's a lot of potential in the UGC space, and a lot of people are not taking advantage of it because they feel it's too complicated. Now, the first way that you can actually make money from this is actually if you're selling affiliate products. Now, I understand most times people think selling affiliate products is actually complicated. It's not that complicated. You can literally just go on Amazon and sign up for the affiliate program and you can start selling their products. Simple. Now, UGC would help you sell more affiliate products because why? This content, they are super viral. They always go viral, and it is easy to make now with the AI platform that I'm going to share with you in this video. I've already done a couple of videos, but a lot of people do not understand. Now, this platform has really amazing user generated content tool. They have a lot, whether it comes to fashion products you can actually hold, whatever it is, whatever style of marketing you want to do, you can literally do it with this platform. And also they also have amazing image and video generators. Now, when I mean amazing image and video generators, I don't just mean this random video generators. I'm talking about with the likes of Kling, Runway Gen 4, Gen 3, and the rest, and Halo AI. Now, that's how good this AI platform is. This is a video, image to video that I generated with this platform. You can see how amazing this is. And now this is some of the marketing videos I generated using this platform.
This pepper soup spice powder by Heart Cyber Nature is the best all-in-one pepper soup spice. Your food should be your medicine, and if you want to start eating healthy, you should consider using Heart Zebar's naturally sourced products.
It is absolutely insane. You can literally start pumping out UGC contents and start selling affiliate products. Now, selling affiliate products is one way that you can go about making money. As someone that does digital marketing, this platform has made my job a million times easier. Now, I got one of the latest companies I'm actually doing digital marketing for. I got the gig because of what? This AI platform. Now, these are other videos that I generated while I was testing out the platform, and I've actually done a step-by-step tutorial on how you can get started with this platform.
Hi, this is the best tasting drink in the market, and I just love the taste of Coke.
This orange juice is the best tasting orange juice on the market.
Now, I probably didn't explain that well. Now, the two ways that you can go about making money with UGC is one, from selling affiliate products, and two, from reaching out to brands or companies and helping them create UGC contents for them. If you don't think brands are out there looking for UGC content, then you're heavily mistaken, because a lot of brands pay heavily for actors to talk about their products, but you can literally just use AI to do it instead, and then you can get paid from brands for creating UGC content. Now, you don't even have to worry about how to record with the product, because the AI would automatically hold the product and record high quality videos for you that you wouldn't be able to distinguish between AI generated video and real video generated by a human being or created by a human being. It is that insane, because we're in a point where the level of AI is actually superseding what human capabilities, what humans can do. So most people are now opting for using AI tools to create content like this, because it's cheaper and it is easier to use. You don't have to start speaking to someone or start having someone do multiple iteration or multiple takes for your videos. Yes, AI isn't perfect, but slowly we are actually going to achieve perfection with AI, because AI is the future. Now, you can go on a website like Amazon. I'm just going to walk you through step by step so you can understand how you can, if you want to go the affiliate route, how you can do this, and if you want to go through the reaching out to brands and how you're going to go about it. Now, let's say I want to promote this product on Amazon. Let me just get the product. Let's just first go on to the Amazon website. Now, first you have to be registered with Amazon Affiliate, and there are a whole lot of other affiliate platforms there that you can start selling affiliate products from. But I'm just going to use Amazon since it's the most universal, and it's Amazon is something that anyone can just access anywhere. So you can just get started with Amazon. It doesn't have to be Amazon. You can use any other platform that you're comfortable with. Maybe you want to be doing drop shipping. Maybe you have products in hand and you can't record. But you want to sell them, or so it doesn't really matter. So once you're on Amazon, let's just assume that this is so. I'm on Amazon. Let's just assume that this products here. I want to sell any product. Let's just say this is Amazon affiliate account. So I'll just click on the product I want, and you can literally just download the image. Or if you maybe you want to use Google and you know, okay, this is the product I want to promote, then I'll probably just download the image here, because Amazon, they tend to have high quality images. You can download it here. You can just go on Google and search for the same products, and then you download it, and then you go on Topview AI. Now, I've made a video and step by step on how you can do this. So I'll just input that video here so you can understand easily how you can do this. So you just take the products and then you come to Topview AI, and then you select an avatar, and then the avatar is going to model the products. Don't worry about removing the background of the product, because the AI would automatically do it for you. They will remove the background and the AI would hold the product for you. So let me just throw the video so you understand.
This is the best AI platform in the industry right now, and here's why. Imagine creating viral marketing videos at lightning speed. No models, no shooting, just your product and AI-powered efficiency. This platform would let you generate stunning videos of your products in the hands and bodies of models in just a few clicks. Welcome to Topview AI, the revolutionary platform that lets you create stunning AI-generated videos for product marketing, app promos, and many more. From script writing to realistic lifelike avatars, Topview harnesses the power of AI to craft high-quality content in a few minutes. With 20-plus language support, auto-editing, and professional voiceovers, you'll boost your video production by 10 times, all at a fraction of the cost. If you're ready to take your marketing to the next level, let Topview show you how. Let's get into the video. Once you're logged into the platform, you'll see the list of amazing tools available on the platform. We'll be covering the Product Avatar and Product AnyShoot, as these features are the next level in the world of AI. First, click on Product Avatar. There are a wide range of models to choose from, with a variety of handheld products to fit your every product need. Select whichever model best suits the kind of product you have, then import an image of your product by clicking Replace with my product image. Don't worry, this platform has an amazing background remover to erase the background of any product you upload automatically. Once the product is loaded, adjust the product in the hand of the model of your choosing to a proper fit. Once you're done, click on Confirm Product Position. The platform will generate 3 images for you to select from. Most of the time, all the images come out perfect, so you can select anyone by clicking on it and then clicking Image to Video Avatar. It will generate a sample video with your product image in hand.
I am Topview Product Avatar. I can hold your product with just one image. You no longer have to spend a lot of time and money searching for real models to showcase your products. Use Topview product avatars to make your video marketing faster and more effective.
After watching the video, all you have to do now is click on Use My Script. You'll come to this page where you can type in the exact prompt script. That is, what you want the avatar to say about your product. You can also upload your own voiceover or select from the many available AI voices on the platform. Once you're done, select your avatar and then click Generate. Rename your video and click Export. It will take a few minutes to generate once it's done. Click on Preview to see your video and download it.
Hi, this is the best tasting drink in the market, and I just love the taste of Coke.
This is just unbelievable.
Hi, this is the best tasting drink in the market, and I just love the taste of Coke.
This is literally making me scared of what AI can do. We'll be trying out another product, but first let's try out another amazing feature of this platform, and that's their Product Any Shoot.
Hiring models for apparel showcases or arranging product setups? These can cost a fortune, but with Topview Product Any Shoot, you can create stunning professional-grade visuals in seconds, saving both your budget and sanity. First, click to open the Product Any Shoot feature. Click here to upload your product images. Next, select a target image as your background. Choose from our public templates or upload your own. Then, describe placing the product on the target image in one sentence. Click Generate button. We will generate multiple image results for you to choose from. If you want more precise control over the generated effect, you can switch to Advanced mode. On the target image, draw a detailed area of your product placement. Please note that you should be drawing the shape of your product, not the shape of the objects already in the target image. For example, if your product is a piece of clothing, draw the shape of the clothing as if it were worn on the target image. If it's glasses, draw the shape as if they were being worn. After completing the drawing, click Generate button. We will generate multiple image results for you to choose from. If you desire a more vivid display effect, you can click the Image to Video button, enter a prompt, and bring the image to life. It's really straightforward. Please try it out.
Click on Product Any Shoot. To get started, I'm just going to download these sci-fi glasses from Google. Then I'll upload it to the product section, and then also upload an image of who or where I want the product to be. Once they're uploaded, I'll resize my brush and paint over the area I want my product image to be, exactly how I want it. Once done, click on Generate and wait for the image to generate. Amazing. If you're okay with the image, then click on Image to Video. As you can see, it gave me a really good prompt and I don't have to change anything. But you can if you want to. You can also change the adherence slider from creativity to relevance and also some other features like mode and duration. Once you're satisfied, click on Image to Video. It is that simple. This is the generation. This is literally unbelievable. From a single image, look at the gestures. This is just insane. You can try this platform out now with the first link in the description.
So once you're done with your AI generated video, so let's assume this is the video that the AI generated for me. I'm just going to go over to whatever platform I want to start promoting the product. So this could be either a TikTok shop or Instagram or Facebook, wherever it is. A lot of people are using TikTok shop. Now, if you want to actually know what's actually products are actually trending or are actually selling well, there's a tool called Kelo Data. Now, if you go on Kelo Data, you can see Kelo Data isn't free, but you can get it. You're going to get a 7-day free trial where you can try out their tool, but most times you can't do a lot with it. You have to pay for it. This is not a sponsored video from Kelly Data. I'm just telling you about the tool. So you can get the best sellers, but you can literally do that with just going on Amazon and getting the best sellers for cosmetics. So Amazon is actually where people shop, so you know that okay, this bestseller is actually the bestseller. So you can just look for best-selling products on Amazon and start promoting those products on social media. Now, once you've created your product images, you've created your product contents, then it's still the same process. You can literally go and post them on social media, and then once people purchase through your affiliate link, then you get commission. That's how it works. Now, the other way is through reaching out to companies. So if you have a local brand around the area and they are struggling with putting out contents for their products, you can literally tell them, okay, I'm going to create UGC content for you and UGC for you, and then you're going to pay me so amount for the contents I'm going to create for you. So you can start charging them on a monthly basis for a number of contents that you create for them. It is super easy. Now you can literally scale this and reach out to different companies or brands or manufacturers around your area or online, wherever it is, and help them create this. And there are a lot of people, there are a lot of companies that are struggling with creating content for their product, and they will gladly pay you. And how much? You probably spend $20 just to sign up for the platform for a month, and then you're charging them maybe $100 for a month to create content for them. That you're literally making $80. So, and if you imagine if you can do this with 10 different companies, 10 different brands, and this contents will take you literally 10 to 20 minutes to create easily. If your internet is fast, then you can do it in the shorter time. That's how simple it is. Now, I'll leave a link in the description so you can access this tool. I've done a previous video about this tool, and I've done previous videos about other tools that you can use to create UGC content and how it's going to blow up the advertising industry in this coming year and this year 2025 and the coming year. So you can watch these videos. I'll leave a link in the description to this platform so you can check it out. It's absolutely amazing, and it has helped me a lot. It has made me a whole lot of money. So that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one.